We're going to show you how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Quiet mode is a feature that allows you to mute notifications and limit your time on the app. But if you're ready to re-engage with your Instagram notifications, we'll guide you through the steps to disable quiet mode. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. The first step in turning off quiet mode on Instagram is to open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Locate the Instagram app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap on it to launch the app. Once you're in the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile, where you can access your account settings. In your Instagram profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on the Notifications option. This will take you to the notification settings for your Instagram account, where you can customize your notification preferences. In the notification settings, look for the Quiet Mode option. Tap on the option. If Quiet Mode is currently enabled, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Tap on the toggle switch to disable Quiet Mode and turn off the feature. After disabling Quiet Mode, Instagram may ask you to confirm your action. Tap on the Turn Off or Disable button to confirm that you want to turn off Quiet Mode and resume receiving notifications from Instagram. Once you've disabled Quiet Mode, you can exit the Settings menu by tapping on the back arrow in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you back to your Instagram profile, where you can continue using the app as usual. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off Quiet Mode on Instagram. By disabling Quiet Mode, you can resume receiving notifications from Instagram and stay connected with your friends, followers, and favorite accounts. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.